Anansi the Spider, a story from Jamaica.
I'm the tallest in the jungle.
I'm the strongest in the jungle.
Yes, but I'm the heaviest.
What about you, Anansi? You are the weakest in the jungle.
I am weaker than the other animals, but I am the cleverest.
The cleverest? I don't think so.
I can catch the snake.
The next day.
That snake is clever.
The day after.
Oh no, not again.
2 days later.
Are you still trying to catch me, Anansi?
No, you are cleverer than me, but you are not longer than this stick.
I am longer than the stick. Look!
Let me tie your tail so I can see.
Let me go, Anansi.
No, I am cleverer than you. Here's the snake.
Well done, Anansi. You are the cleverest animal in the jungle.